everyone, and welcome to Swan Lake Lifestyle. Today we're doing a really fun video where we go through my ballet bag essentials, as well as a fun unboxing from Dancing Disc, which is a really neat dance tool that I've been wanting to try for a long time. So go ahead and get cozy, grab yourself a nice warm drink or a snack, and let's go ahead and get into the video. Hello everyone, my name is Olivia and I'm a lifelong ballerina and classical musician. Here on YouTube I share tips about how to dance ballet as well as fun ballet commentary videos, and then also share some lifestyle vlogs and self-improvement tips, and I'm so glad that you're here. So as I said, in this video we're going to do a really cool look at my ballet bag essentials. So to begin, I absolutely love having a bag that has enough space to fit all my stuff in here, and of course I couldn't help but have this cute little Ballet Pointe shoe here as my little keychain. So I feel like everyone has different things in their dance bags. So you know, just because I have something that you don't or you have something that I don't worry. Everyone's practice is different and you have to keep what works for you with you. This is just what's working for me at the moment as I'm kind of getting back into ballet after returning from injury. But yeah, let's go ahead and take a little tour of my ballet bag. So first, we have this fun little pouch. I love the little bows on it and everything, and I think it just matches the overall color scheme of my bag. It's not really important to have a matching color scheme, but if it's something that matters to you, then of course you should do it and go for it. So inside this pouch I have another little pouch, so let's take a look at what's in here. Okay, so this is just like a bunch of band-aids that I have. If you're doing point work, it's really important to keep some band-aids on hand. I also have some toe tape as well as some liquid bandage. So this is almost kind of like my preventative care kit as well as care kit in case if something comes up. So that is what is inside this big pouch. I also have a few other things in here. So this is also like my hair supply. So I have like my open bobby pins in here. Put those down there. And then I also have like some hair scrunchies that I use for my bun, and I like these ones because they're silk, so they're a little bit more gentle on your hair, especially because, as you know, dancers are always putting our hair up in buns. And then let's see, I have I have this little hairigami. That's kind of like my preferred way these days to put my hair into a bun. I feel like it's really quick and easy. And then I also have for decoration for my bun my flowers. So this goes like right on top of the bun and just looks really pretty, but also for my specific company that I dance with, the flower denotes what level you are. So it also has a practical reason for it as well. And then next up we have the classic Altoid tin, which contains a bunch of other little things like hair nets and alligator clips and a few more bobby pins and other things in here. I feel like a lot of dancers have little Altoid tins filled with little bobby pins and things. And I feel like it's just something classic to have in your dance bag. So let me go ahead and pack this up real quick. By the way, I'd love to hear in the comments below if there's something in your ballet bag or dance bag that I don't have. I think it's always interesting to see what people feel like are essentials to bring with them to class. And you never know, maybe I'll end up using some of your tips that you have. So anyway, let's see what's next. We have, okay. Really important, I have some extra tights. I feel like every once in a blue moon, my tights will just get like super messed up or ripped by accident, and then in case if I want to change them out. I also have some leg warmers for class for warm-ups. And then let's see, I also have a leotard, some more tights, and a ballet skirt. So I'll put those guys over here. And then let's see, so this was something that was too big to fit in that little pouch earlier as far as like kind of like my emergency care kit. These are hexagels. I think that these are amazing, especially if you have blisters. It's like this little piece of gel that you stick onto like the affected area, and let me just say they are life-changing. I just really love this product. I feel like it's such a lifesaver, especially when you're doing tons of rehearsals and your feet just aren't having it that day. And next up we have the final bow covered pouch in here. So let's go ahead and open that up. So in here I have, let's see, so this is like a sewing kit that I have with me along with some crazy glue. So just in case if I need to sew my ribbons or something, it never hurts to have a sewing kit on hand. as dancers, especially ballerinas, I feel like we end up doing a lot more sewing than people would think. Then I have my flat shoes in here. And then I have just a ton of toe pads. So these are the ones that I usually use. And then I have a backup pair just in case. And then I also have some like little toe pad, almost like toe caps, I would say. So I keep all those in this little pouch of mine. And then last but not least, we have my Pointe shoes. So interestingly enough, this pair has calamine lotion on it. And some dance companies like the dancers to calamine their shoes. It gives it more of a matte look so that it's not like super shiny and distracting on stage. Every company's a little bit different, but that's just what mine requested. So these would be like my performance ready shoes, although they are a little bit beat up. And then I also have inside these little Nicolay scent pouches. So this kind of helps remove the odor from your shoes, and it also helps with keeping them dry because you don't want to have a lot of moisture on your Pointe shoes. It's just really bad for the material. And then we have this second pair of Pointe shoes over here, which does not have the calamine lotion on it. So actually here, let me show you real quick this other pair, just so you can see the difference. So as you can see, this has more of a satiny finish, and this one is more of a matte finish. And so these are both the Dream Pointe 2007 shoes from Nicolay, also known as Grishko. And it's interesting to see the versions of both the matte and satin. Now, just a quick pointer, I was taught by my teacher many years ago that there is a certain way to store your Pointe shoes. She always taught me to fold this bottom part in, fold this here, and then take the ribbons together and wrap them around the shoe like this. So I'm not sure, I know that some of my viewers are on Pointe, some of you are more beginner and, you know, potentially working your way up to Pointe. I do have an exciting announcement that in the next coming months, I'm going to be starting a beginner Pointe series here. I'm returning from dance after a pretty significant injury. I had to have, well actually I got very sick and then I had to have multiple surgeries on my ankle, so I've been, you know, like rehabbing my ankle and everything over the past year. And as I'm returning to ballet, I'm going to be returning to Pointe soon. So I figured, you know what a great chance and opportunity to be able to film me getting back into Pointe, but also teaching, you know, those who are working on Pointe work, providing some more guidance there. This is more of like a supplemental course that I'll be providing here on YouTube for people who are already doing beginner Pointe work in person, and for those who just want some more pointers at home, right? So anyway, now that my little dance bag, ballet bag tour is over, let's go ahead and get into a very exciting part of the video, which is unboxing dancing disc. Okay, now I'm really excited for this next part because I've been wanting to try the dancing disc for a very long time, and especially as someone who's recovering from injury, I want to make sure that my home setup is as safe as possible and really helps set me up for success. So as you may or may not know, I have tile floors, and this portable dancing disc allows me to have professional portable Marley floor in disc form. So a really big thank you to the people at Dancing Disc who sent this to me. This is going to be really instrumental in me getting back and recovering from injury and working back into Pointe work and just ballet in general, so I'm really thankful for that. Now this is the largest size that they have available, which is a 30-inch dancing disc. They also have a 24-inch version and a 16-inch version. So you can go ahead and pick which one works best for your space and your price point. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. So I thought what was really sweet about this company is that it was started by a dad who was a firefighter, and he wanted to create like a safe and effective surface for his daughter to be able to dance on. So I love that backstory. I love hearing when parents are so supportive of their children and their passions and everything. Also, what's great is that it's for all dance styles, not just ballet, and it really has a premium Marley floor on it, which is what professional dancers dance on, and is really just the gold standard for ballet surfaces to dance on. So anyway, yeah, let's get into it. Okay, wow, I'm gonna put this down. Wow, look at this. Ooh. There's more goodies inside. Wow, okay. This is huge, and I'm so excited to have such a big surface to dance on. I love that it has the logo here and then a few other little things to us. Let me get those real quick. All right, so it looks like there's a little surprise in here. Let's go ahead and take a look at what it is. Oh, okay, these are great for beginners looking to work on their spotting for turns. So all you have to do is peel off this little back, and it's like sticky here, and then you just stick it up on a surface, and then you can use it to spot. So you look at the little dot, you look, and then you whip your head around and look at it again. So it's really just a really helpful tool to get better at spotting. So what a great little surprise. Thank you, dancing disc. Okay, so here's our disc. Let's go ahead and take it out of the bag. Such a neat plastic bag. I haven't seen a Ziploc this huge before. Wow. I like how it has a strap so you can hold on to it. So it's easier to grip, and yeah, you can definitely feel the Marley floor on here. It's such high quality, and the back is really, here, take a look. It's really high quality too. You can see how everything's been connected to the bottom of the board, and wow, I'm just so excited to try this out. So let's go ahead and try it out together. So here we are on the dancing disc, and my first impression is that I already can tell what great flooring this is. You know, for example, if I'm on tile, it's a little bit more slippery, but on here, I definitely feel more secure and grounded. So let's go ahead and just do a few little ballet motions. Yeah, I feel like brushing my feet against the floor, it feels really natural. And I can see what they're saying about the tapered edge, where like if you slide off, it's not like a huge fall or anything. Now, I believe this is actually mainly used for turning, but of course I'm going to be using it in more upcoming videos to teach you about different point techniques and getting into point work. I can already tell this will be so much kinder to my point shoes compared to tile floor or other hard surfaces, but yeah, let's go ahead and give it a little spin and see how things go. First, let's try some jumps. Dancing disc is much kinder to my feet compared to the tile, so I'm already super happy with this. Let's go ahead and try some turns now.
So as you're about to see here, the dancing disc gives me better traction so that I can stop when I want to, as opposed to slipping a little bit longer on the tile.
And lastly, let's try some promenade.
And once again, you can see here that the traction is very helpful for keeping my balance in promenade as opposed to slipping on the tile.
Alright everyone, that concludes our dance bag tour and dancing disc unboxing. Just a quick reminder that I do have a completely free beginner ballet course here on YouTube, which I'll link above and in the description box below. Also, do not forget to use code SWANLAKE at checkout at Dancing Disc to get a great deal on a dancing disc for yourself. Thank you again for joining me today, and I am so excited for you for joining me on this ballet journey together. Thank you and take care. See ya.